In 2015, stability runners will experience the redesigned 1260 by New Balance. A full-length absorbed midsole combined with our nitrogen-infused N2 in the heel and N2 burst in the forefoot delivers superior cushioning for the moderate over pronator. A blown rubber forefoot enhances cushioning and durability at toe-off. TV-Mitt mid-stance creates an inherently stable ride, and on the medial side, a dual-density post is engineered to help control overpronation. Support continues into the heel with the asymmetrical heel counter and synthetic overlays. Combined with a Phantom Fit quarter, the upper is designed to help secure the foot in an elegant premier package. The ideal balance of moderate support with premium cushioning for a luxurious and secure ride. Introducing the 1260 V5 by New Balance.